Hello, this is a devlog for BotFightPaintball, a third-person shooter game that I'm developing. This shows the fire effect that came with the TPS multiplayer pack. The one on the left is the one that came in their pack, and you can see that it doesn't look right, and it doesn't have the sound effect. So the one on the right is one I created, and to create it I transferred all these files from the starter pack, and I also used the sound effect. Now I don't know if they might correct this in a newer version of their asset pack, but this is what it looked like in the version that I'm using. This is a demo of what it looks like when it's running, and the one on the right is the one that I created, and it looks like it's working correctly.